going to my driving practice. Will I finally be able to try the anti-fog lights?
Per vivere fuori dalle passioni, oltre i sentimenti, nell'armonia che c'è nell'opera d'arte riuscita.
Oh my god, I feel so unaccomplished today. It's like I kind of wanted to go swimming, but then I feel kind of sick. Not sick, but I feel like I've gotten a bit cold. It's not the usual COVID symptoms, but I also don't want to have a cold. So on one hand, I feel like I should have gone to the swimming pool, but on the other hand, it is really cold outside. And also, then when I didn't go to the swimming pool, I thought, well, at least I will cycle. Because I don't know, I feel like I need to do some activity. And now I've just postponed my meeting, so I'm not cycling either. Central London right now. I just came to my usual alterations place. Feels so nice to do something normal, like running an errand. I haven't been here in so long. I'm just about to go to a friend's opening. That's my mask. I'm wearing these nice shoes. My kitty bag. Look at all these plants. The flower show looks absolutely amazing right now. Look at my hair. And now we are gonna go walking. I'm gonna take my mask off. Oof, I hate having to wear the mask everywhere. We're gonna go walking down Sloane Street, I think. Oh, look at me. Can you believe that I'm wearing shoes today? I'll put the links down. And they have that touch of bat taste that I like, you know, just the blue with the black and skinny jeans. This is kind of like cheesy, and then my top is very classic. See, up here I'm just too classic, so we need the contrast. Do you guys remember Gina? I used to come here every year to get these shoes. I don't need these shoes anymore, sadly, but I do still love Gina. How to ride a bicycle in this beautiful day. What I love about London, and this area in particular, Shoreditch, East London, is that everybody that you see is really young. So even in furniture shops like this one, you look inside and you see like students and people my age buying really big things and looking at really big properties. And it's just like a different vibe. It gives it a different energy than somewhere where there's older people.